I surely was looking for my package because I just got a new MacBook Pro 13 inch. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my refurbished MacBook Pro 13 inch laptop, as I initially wanted to buy this because of the simple fact I already have an iPhone, I already have an iPad. I'm sick and tired of making videos on my phone and then transferring it to my email, as far as sending it to my email, and then having to go on my computer and download it on there, and then to put the videos together. So I wanted something that's going to be a lot more easier and smoother for me, as I am an Apple user. So Apple is all I know, straight up. So I have the iPhone XR, and then I have the iPad 4. So I'm just more into wanting to make videos on my phone. That way it's much easier. And of course, when you don't have a bunch of space, you want to be able to transfer it. So I got this computer from mercari, and I was really skeptical at first because the first buyer that I had initially bought the refurbished computer from never responded to me, never sent me the computer, nothing, didn't hear anything back. Finally reached out to another one, which is the seller that sold this, and luckily within 2 or 3 days shipped the computer. It came with the password, it came with the charger that I'm going to need, and everything was wrapped up really well. So I definitely give an A+ for that, or I could say I give it a 10 out of 10. All it took was for me to turn the computer on. Like I said, it came with a really great charger. All you have to do is just like basically magnetic plug it in. So I wanted to go ahead and turn on the computer to get everything going and log in, and I'm just showing you guys all the ports. You guys can use a SD card to put into it, headphones, plenty of USB ports and things like that. So I will be looking for software so that I can edit my videos on this computer. If you guys have an Apple, if you're using Apple products for your laptop or anything like that, let me know what a great editing software is down in the comment section down below. So I decided to go ahead and buy a really nice laptop bag or whatever, because I wanted to be able to put my MacBook in there and basically be safe and just be able to sit around on the couch or anything else of that nature. It also came with another little bag where I can keep things stored in that as well. So the first case that I ordered for my MacBook Pro, I'm going to throw a clip in here. It did not fit, so I ended up having to send it back and get the real one that I needed. So future tips for anyone who's buying a MacBook Pro and wants to have a case for their MacBook Pros, basically wait till you get the computer, look on the back, and it will tell you what your model is, and basically order what your model. Like my model was I can't remember, it was like A6128 or something. So just go based off of your model on the bottom of the laptop, it will tell you. And so like I said, really great case, like dirt cheap off Amazon. Came with the keyboard plastic piece that will keep my keyboard, from getting dirty or anything falling into the crevices and stuff like that. So when I bought this computer, like I said, I was really skeptical, because when you buy something refurbished, you don't know how long it's going to be good for. Then, of course, when I did get to playing around on it, I was like, oh, I wonder if I can get iMovie on here. But because mine is an older version, I can't get iMovie on there. So I'm looking around for older video editing software that I can use, or I'm just looking for something that I'm going to be able to use. So like I said, if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. I'm really looking forward to creating videos on here, as this will be my first MacBook and I am just probably learning But I'm looking forward to it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely check out Mercari. They have plenty of great options for you, whether it's laptops, computers, game systems, TV, and everything else in between the categories that you can think of. So never judge a book by its cover because it's refurbished. You definitely have to get out there and give it a try, especially when these computers are about anywhere past $500 and you don't want to spend a bunch of money on a brand new computer. So I did go ahead and buy the port where I'm going to be able to keep all of my stuff on there, my drive. I also bought a port where I'm going to be able to transfer things. And then I also bought extra memory cards and a wireless mouse. And I was also wanting to go ahead and purchase a subscription if I needed to for a editing software, but I just want to figure out what everybody thinks is the best editing software on a MacBook Pro. So thanks guys so much for watching. Enjoy your evening.